Good morning everybody and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Sal, this is the GT Guys, and today I got something in the mail that I've been waiting over 2 years for. So you probably already know what it is by the title of the video, but let me show you anyways. There it is. Well guys, this is it, the 2019 Ford GT order kit. And before I give you my first impressions, which I'm going to do, I wanted to address a question that may be running through all of your minds right now, and that is, who is this guy and how the hell did this normal V6 Mustang owner get an allocation for a new Ford GT? Well, you know what, actually, if you want the answer to that question, go ahead and subscribe. I'll tell that story a different time. But right now I got in front of me this brand new order kit from Ford and Ford Performance, and it is incredible. First impressions, I am just blown away by the build quality of this box. I mean, the satin finish carbon fiber is just incredible, and I assume it's built by Milky, which is the company who builds the GTs for Ford, and their carbon fiber work is just amazing. I mean, they build some of the world's best race cars, including obviously the Ford GT. They've built the Aston Martin Vulcan, the Aston Martin 177. So Multimatic really is a world-class facility, and so that's what you get here with kind of the design and the finish of this box. Now, a couple of cool details besides just the obvious, inscription of the Ford logo here and the GT design spec. You can see that there's kind of the space here for a plaque, and actually that's exactly what it is that when you get your car, Ford gives you a plaque with your VIN number on it, and you are able to stick it right here so that this kit goes specifically with your GT, and that is extremely cool, a really nice touch. And another cool thing is this latch right here. Now this latch actually is the same one that they use to fasten the rear hatch over the engine in the Ford GT race car. So that is just another really cool and intricate touch for this GT order kit. Now inside this kit is everything that you need in order to pick out your spec and to spec out your Ford GT. So I'm gonna do that with you guys in part 2 of this video. So go ahead and make sure you subscribe so you can catch up with part 2, where I open up the box. We are going to go through everything inside the box. I'm gonna show you all the specs, give you all the details on all the options that you can get with a new Ford GT, including prices and all the breakdown. So yeah, go ahead, leave your comments in the section below. Let me know what you think of the order kit. Let me know your favorite spec. And of course, as always, please go ahead, comment, like, subscribe, really helps the channel grow. And I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. See you then.